Hi, I'm back. Welcome to my channel, and here I will be reviewing a few products that I use. Remember, I'm no expert. I'm here just to talk to you and get your opinions and learn from you. Okay, so here I am with another product of Soulflower, which is Light Me Up. Okay, I have used this soap a lot. This is the only strip that I have now. I had actually cut it into pretty thin strips. So Light Me Up contains sandalwood, turmeric, almond and lemon. Okay, well, and it contains essential oils and leaves of peppermint, basil, neem, lemon juice, tanaka, almond oil, sandalwood, gram flour, turmeric powder, orange peel, vitamin E, glycerin, aqua olive, coconut, palm and palm kernel. Okay, so it, and also in the directions, okay, I'll come to that later. The texture of the soap is it has little granules. Okay, you can see a rough surface over here. So it if you're using it directly on your face, do not use it directly on your face like that. First lather it up in your hand and then use it, because it has a lot of granules into it. I think it is, I don't know what it contains, but it is, you know, it has a scrubbing kind of a texture. When you lather it, it actually gives you a yellow lather, so you know there is turmeric, and the smell also gives you a, you know, kind of turmeric kind of a smell it has. Okay, yeah. So, and as per the instructions, it says that for best results, keep it on your skin for a few minutes, gently rubbing in a circular motion to remove dry dead skin, and it is for all skin types. Do not do this. Do not apply the soap on your face and leave it on your skin. I did it on my face, and I felt like I had put a washing detergent on my face. It reminded me of a time when in my childhood I used to play Holi terribly, and I would use everything available in the bathroom to take off the green color on my face, right from Medimix to Pears to Rin to Surf Excel to everything. And imagine what your skin would feel after literally rubbing your skin from all those things. My face used to get bruised after Holi. That was the feeling it felt. If you left it on your face, do not leave it on your face. Because it was so harsh on my face, I decided not to use it on my face. So and it also had a scrubbing effect, so what I did, I started using it all over my body. So on my body it was good, because it did not, of course your body skin is thicker than your face skin, and it did do a very good scrubbing effect on your back and everything. So it is a good soap for your body, not for your face. Do not, you can, if you want to put it on your face, just rinse, put on a lather, rub it for like 2-3 times and rinse it off. Do not keep it on your skin. Do not. If you want to really keep it and let it stay and then scrub it off, do it on your body, not on your face. Okay, otherwise it's a very good soap, because I have liked it. This is the only part which is left for me. This is the last one I'm going to use now. So this is a good soap, but not for your face. And do not follow the instructions and keep it for few minutes on your face. No, don't. So it's 100% vegan soap, and it has no artificial hardness. So go for it. It's a good one. Light Me Up. Okay. Bye bye.